Feel free to do whatever you want in here.
I'm just, trying to help Nat feel at home.
Me too. Breakfast was a bust.
Yeah, you made the effort. That's all that matters.
Any pointers on what I can do differently?
Want the Cliff Notes?
Sure.
Be yourself. Nat got her mom's natural apprehension of people, so, the only way to get her to open up is to get to know her. That may take a while.
I can wait. Look, John, I could use your help.
What kind of help?
Figuring out what caused that earthquake.
Inside the mines filled with ex-kryptonite. Listen, my focus is on Natalie and being the best dad I can be for her. I can't get pulled into anything dangerous.
I promise it's a one-time ask. Nothing to do with the steel suit. Hey, how did it go?
He's not going to be helpful. What about you?
Nothing that makes sense yet.
But I'm gonna help her see what we can find.
Can you call Coach Gaines? Tell him I'm going to be late.
What about this morning?
I'll be fine. I gotta go.
Everyone okay? Get them out of here. Are you okay?
What happened out there? My team said you just passed out.
I don't know.
Well, they don't know either. I'm not sure why we still have dedicated Kryptonian physicians on the payroll. It's virtually impossible to run any kind of diagnostic test on you. Look, I just have to be clear. If you're not going to be part of the Threat Reduction Agency, you don't have free reign anymore. I can't have you interfering with our missions.
Mission. The guy almost killed a bunch of innocent people.
That guy? Philip Karnowski, drug runner, weapons dealer, stole a large quantity of ex-kryptonite from the Schuster mines before we got Amertech in there. He's been making a fortune on the black market, one of the many messes I inherited from Lane.
And he was selling XK?
What can I say? Everybody wants superpowers. In any event, we handled it right after we saved you. Look, you don't want to be part of my team. Okay, I get it. But it means that you're on your own. No more backup. So whatever is going on, I hope you figure it out. And fast. Otherwise, right now, you're more of a liability than a hero.
Anderson. One of the members on your team, Tag Harris, he's barely 18.
Sure is fast, isn't he?